Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi, today we are cooking stewed duck with mushrooms. I have with me over here half a duck. First we need to marinate the underside of the duck with 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. This will get rid of any kind of a unpleasant ducky smell or taste. So just rub them well. Get rid of all the excess fat from the skin. Next, half a teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Spread it on the skin. Rub it in well. One tablespoon of light soy sauce. And we'll leave this to air dry for 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, please set your oven to 180 degrees and start to heat it up. I've covered the tip of the wing with aluminum foil because I don't want to burn this. Now, why am I roasting this first is because ducks basically are very fat and I want to render the fats off. And I want to give it a nice light brown hue on the duck. So I'm just roasting this at 180 degrees Celsius, half an hour. Now the duck is done. I'm going to use this clay pot to stew the duck. Add oil. Spread the oil around the clay pot. We need to fry some of the ingredients first. 1 whole bulb of garlic, skin on. 1 thumb size ginger, I smash them up. 2 pieces of star anise. 6 pieces of clove. We fry them until we can smell them. Once you have smelled the fragrances coming up, I have with me over here 6 pieces of giant mushroom or big mushroom. They are very big. I've cut it into half. Now if you don't have all this big mushroom, you can use smaller mushroom. 8 or 10 pieces is really up to you. To make it more fragrant, I'll add them in this oil and fry them for a minute. Now we just shift everything to the side and we will add the duck in. This is the duck. I'll put the breast side down first because I want the breast to be more tender. I'm going to use the liquid I soaked the mushroom in. Okay, about a liter of it. Now I add in 3 pieces of licorice or ganchao, 2 pieces of bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Stir them up a little. I'm also adding in half a cup of Huiji waist tonic. Now if you don't have this Huiji waist tonic at home, you can either buy them and add them in, or you can just add angelica roots to it. It will taste still very good. I'm going to braise this like this for half an hour, and I'm going to turn it over and braise it for another half an hour. So I just put the lid back on. Now be mindful of the liquid. Do check every 15 minutes or so. If the liquid is too dry, please do add water. Half an hour is up. It's time to flip the duck over. It smells fantastic. Okay. Now we need to add in 1 full carrot. I've cut into pieces like this. This will give a natural sweetness to this stew. 100 grams of shimeji mushroom. Just spread them around the sides. So we'll close this up and let it stew for another half an hour. Okay, time's up. Let's have a look. Oh, beautiful. See how beautiful the sauce is? Now what we're going to do now is, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of Hoa Tiao Jiu or Chinese cooking wine. Just spread them around. Now give this broth a taste. See whether it's salty enough for your taste, or do you want to actually add in more salt or soy sauce. Wow, very good. I think I can add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And to balance off the taste, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar. I blanched some broccoli. I'm going to spread them around. I'm going to dish this up now. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we do our braised duck with mushroom. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.